Hey, what's up everyone? It's George. I'm back with a couple Pokemon Evolutions boxes. I got a Blastoise and a Torterra. And I think the pack inside each of them is triumphant. So I guess we're gonna go with Blastoise first and see what we got. So yeah. I just picked these up at Target last night, so let's see what we got inside the pack. I really like the holo on these cards. It's like a it's like shattered glass holo. I don't know if that's what it is, but it looks like a bunch of glass shattered, but it looks really sweet. Alright, we got Squirtle and Wartortle next to Blastoise, so that's really cool. I've wanted these since they came out. I know they came out a little while ago, but I just got them now. And the pack is triumphant, so it's my first pack openings video, so let's see if I can do this right. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, Magnemite, Dratini, Voltorb, Pidgey, Nidoran, Rescue Energy, Piloswine, Pidorina, Wailmer as the reverse, and Carnivine as the rare. I have like 30 Carnivines, so that's awesome, I guess. Alright, and hopefully we get something better in the pack in this one, Torterra. But like I said, the main reason I got these was because I really like the holos. I got the Charizard one. It wasn't in a box, but it was pretty much the same exact thing. I have a couple of those ones. So if anyone's looking for the Charizard one, I have one for trade. Alright, so we got Turtwig and Torterra with that shattered glass look holo, which I really like. Put that there by Blastoise. Alright, last pack. Let's hope I get something. Spoink, Ghastly, Shuppet, Aeron, Nita, Unknown Cure, Magneton, Rescue Energy, Reverse Porygon 2, and Nidoking Holo. I do have a couple of these already, so if anyone's looking for it, this will be up for trade. The packs weren't too awesome, but like I said, the main reason got these were for the evolution Pokemon that was featured. So the Blastoise and the Torterra, because it's a shattered glass holo. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting on my blog, which I'll post a link to, and I'll have my halves on there. I know I have my wants, so I'll be posting that soon. So I guess check back for more pack openings. Like I said before in my last video, I will be pre-ordering a box from the black and white set. So I'll be posting all those videos online. Hopefully I'll get some sweet cards that everyone would like. I'm going to be collecting the whole set, so I'll be trading all my doubles away. yeah, so I think that's it. Check back later in the week for hopefully some more pack openings or anything to keep you guys updated. And just so maybe you guys will post a comment or something, I'm going to ask a question. I might make this a weekly thing or something, but I got Pokemon White when it came out, and I've been playing this a lot. It's really, really fun. I guess I could ask, what Pokemon did you start with, and are you enjoying the new game? And if there's anything, that, maybe like the pros and cons of it compared to older versions or compared to some of the features they had in the Heart Gold, Soul Silver. So, yeah. Just let me know if there's anything you'd like me to do, if there's any cards that you would like that I don't have posted. I know I don't even have anything posted yet, but I will. Just let me know, and I'll see you guys later this week. Alright, bye.